So we have a good opportunity today because we're doing a tire on a 2024 911, and we're going to show you how our tire machine works. The whole goal of the Hunter Auto 24R is that there's no contact with the wheel at any point, or if there is, it's all with parts that are plastic. This roller breaks the bead on the tire. So you'll see this in a couple of seconds, and we'll actually take the tire off, and essentially there'll be no contact on this wheel.
It's been falling, I've been stalling for weeks. The stars are pretty when the sky falls.
The tool to normally tighten down the valve core or needs to apply proper torque in the case of a valve that reports tire pressure, a TPMS valve. This one actually applies a proper torque, and it'll show us now. It actually clicks to indicate that it put the proper torque. So at this point now, we have to take the old wheel weights. We use a plastic tool to remove the wheel weights. And even more importantly, then we'll use a nair tool, which is this one here, that has like an eraser type material that essentially will take the double-sided tape off. You can leave that on. It just obviously doesn't really look really nice. And if ever the wheel weight goes back to the same spot, well, then it wouldn't stick well. So that's why we always clean it off. We're going to balance the wheel. A tire has a natural vibration and a wheel has a natural vibration. The goal of the balancer is to essentially balance those out by putting wheel weights. So this is a road force Hunter machine. Any contact again with the wheel will be protected with plastic. There's also a roller, as you can see here, that will simulate the road to balance the wheel. Called the road force balancing. We're not doing this in this case, but this could be used for diagnosis. The machine with the lasers, as you can see, will actually measure the wheel diameter and the profile of the wheel. So we just have to close the cover, and essentially it's measuring the wheel and giving us how much weight we have to install. With a black wheel like this, we'll actually have black wheel weights and silver weights depending to match. We're trying to make the wheel weights not show. It's a little detail, but we're trying to just make things nice if we can. The last step at this point is to torque the wheel bolts. We do all of these by hand. The tool now is clicking to indicate that the proper torque is being applied. We do this on all cars here, be it a Volkswagen or Porsche, whatever it is. We're obviously doing this on a Porsche this morning because it looks good. We do this to all cars. The goal is for wheel bolts not to be under torqued or over torqued, so they can easily be removed, or obviously so they don't come loose.